Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be looking at the JBL Flip 4, so be sure to subscribe and let's get started. This is the JBL Flip 4. It's $80 and it's got some pretty cool features, so let's take a look at it. It's got the power button on the back, and all you have to do is click it and it'll turn on. You can also see the Bluetooth button, volume down, volume up, and play/pause button. Now under the protective water resistant sleeve, you can see your charging port and your mic in port. The Flip 4 has two passive radiators, one on both sides. Now they do move quite a lot and it gives it a very bassy sound. The JBL Flip 4 has an IP77 rating, meaning it's mostly dustproof and it's waterproof to 3.5 feet for 30 minutes. I also bought this $5 case from Amazon that fits the JBL Flip 4 and Flip 3, and I like it so much that I made a whole unlisted video about it, so it'll be down in the description below if you'd like to watch it. Alright, so that's it for this review. Down in the description I will have a link to my new website. This has more detailed reviews for every product and video I make, so be sure to check that out. Till then, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.